In this video, I'm going to show you 3 websites that can help you make money as an affiliate this Black Friday. Some of them are timely, so you're going to want to pay attention. So let's jump right in. The first one is the Daily Commission Club Dime Sale at dimesaleformula.com. If you go there, you're going to see this page, which is an offer for her Daily Commissions Club program, which is a full featured affiliate marketing course from beginning to advanced level for anybody to understand the full package of how to build an affiliate marketing business. It's in this Daily Commissions Club, and she has sold this course in the past for up to $697, and people gladly paid the price. But this Dime Sale Formula is a special sale in which every time somebody buys it, the price goes up by $1. And we started it 2 days ago, and it started at $1. A lot of people got it for $1, and it keeps going up, but it's still quite cheap. So the first way you can make money is by buying this course. Okay, it's at $45 as I'm recording this now. That's still a crazy steal to get this course that has been sold many times happily for many hundreds of dollars. This is an amazing place to start an affiliate marketing business, is this course. So how are you gonna make money? Okay, number one, you can buy it, yes. But also, I wanted to share this story with you that my friend Chance, who is also promoting this with me and in association with Rachel, he shared this story. Justin was not an affiliate marketer until yesterday, and one day he went from wondering about affiliate marketing and wanting to learn about affiliate marketing to make his first 2 commissions from affiliate marketing. Here's exactly how it happened. He saw the crazy deal that Rachel Lee is running, $700 course that started at $1 and went up with $1 each purchase. He got the course for freaking $1 because he jumped all over it. He took a look inside the course, saw that it's super legit, high-level marketing course taught by a 7-figure affiliate, grabbed an affiliate link so he could promote the offer. Buyers of the course are automatically approved as affiliates, made one post about it on social media, probably on Facebook, made over $20 commissions pretty much immediately. Of course, I cannot guarantee that you're gonna make that or anything, of course, but this is just something that happened here, and I wanted to share that as an example. This is the person who did it. It was his first affiliate sales ever, and he did that by buying this course for a crazy steal. So now he can go and learn all of the fundamentals, but he started out by making his first commission right away, which is pretty awesome. I wish that would have happened for me. So he bought the course, and then as soon as you buy this course, you get approved as an affiliate, and then you can go and promote this course, which you can promote confidently. Rachel is an awesome marketer. She's got a great history behind her. She's got a real business. She's a great person that you can feel happy promoting her product. And it's an amazing course. It's got like literally everything you need, templates and funnels and everything like that. So those are the 2 ways that you can make money from this. Is one, getting the course and learning all of the fundamentals of running an affiliate marketing business. And number 2, promoting that link, because you'll get approved as an affiliate as soon as you buy. You can promote that link on your social media and potentially make sales. Of course, I cannot guarantee that or even, any results at all. So that's method number 1. Website number 1 is dimesaleformula.com. So go there. By the way, if you want to learn more cool affiliate marketing methods and you happen to be a fan of Spider-Man like I am, I don't know if you can tell from my shirt is Spider-Man, if you could just hit that like button, that would be super awesome. Feel free to subscribe, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching and being here on this channel. Okay, so website number 2 is nomadbots.com. So let me take you to nomadbots.com. This is the website, it's my website, and you just have to put in your email address here, and you're gonna get a spreadsheet that you can then give away for free, and you can fill it with your affiliate links. And this has worked to get me commissions from a number of different traffic. So let me show you how it works. First, you're gonna go to nomadbots.com and enter your email. Then you're gonna click Get Instant Access Now. Now you're gonna see this list. Now this is something that I modeled from Chase Reiner, and a bunch of other people are doing this method, and they're doing it because it works. So basically this is my version, and what I've done is I've gone in and taken a lot of the links that Chase had in there and just simply swapped them out with my own links, and then I give away this PDF from a lot of different things. I've made a lot of YouTube shorts and TikToks, and those have driven real opt-ins to my email list through that page. And it's also, they've driven real commissions and sales. And the cool thing is you're just giving away a spreadsheet. So you don't have to do the opt-in thing if you don't want to build a list. You can literally just make your own copy of this. So just go to File and make a copy, and make your own copy. And then once you have that, you can literally give away a link to this spreadsheet to people. It's just a spreadsheet, and it's got all these helpful tools, and they're all my affiliate link, and you can just put your affiliate link in there instead. Just swap them out. Instead of having my affiliate link to all these tools, promote the exact same tool, just use your affiliate link. So it's super easy, it's helpful to people. It's a list of really cool tools that I've kind of customized it and made it my own. And you can do the same for yourself. Pick your favorite tools, put them in the list, and give it out. You can make content with YouTube Shorts and TikTok if you want to get a lot of traction fast. You can drop it on your Facebook profile if you want to connect with the people who already follow you, or if you have any other audience as well. So that's website number 2 that you can make money with, is nomadbots.com. Finally, website number 3, affiliate launch kit coaching offers. So this is something that I am only offering to a couple more people. It's at affiliatelaunchnow.com. So this is an offer I just put out there a couple days ago. A couple people have taken me up on it, so I only have 2 spots left. But I think if you want to have more personal touch and work with me personally, then this offer is pretty exciting. So if you check it out, basically I just wanted to give you everything that you can to have the best chance to be successful as possible. Of course, again, I can't guarantee that you'll get any results or make any money. You know the nature of listening to people like me teaching things on the internet. You know that we can't promise you any results, but we can do our best to teach you the best methods. And so you can go to Affiliate Launch Now, check it out, and see if it's something that's interesting to you. Again, I've only got 2 more spots available for this, so you'll want to jump on that and all these other offers quickly as well. And so basically what this is I'm going to show you an offer that's worked really well for me, explain the methods that I've used to promote that offer, and they're SEO based. If you know me from Bing ads or whatever, it's not a Bing ads thing, so it's not using paid traffic. I'm going to give you an offer that works for SEO, that has worked for me, and a few other offers as well, and basically teach you the fundamentals of the process that I went through to get sales with this program. Walk you through all the tech setup and give you in-depth offer and niche research for this offer and for the niche that this offer is in. It's got a couple of hour-long strategy calls with me included, one at the beginning to get you set up and going, and then one 30 days from now to check in and see how things have gone. And you're also going to get my step-by-step affiliate traffic blueprint. I've got several different traffic methods that I'm going to teach you in there, all involving SEO with a very specific twist. And finally, some bonuses that you can check out as well. Some extra offers that have worked for me, the extra call, an affiliate approval method checklist that has worked really well for me to get approved by affiliate offers. I know that can be frustrating. And my top secret traffic automation software tool. So again, this is only for 2 more people, and it's only for the right person. Most people it's not going to be a good fit for, but if you want to work with me personally to set up your affiliate website and get an offer on there that has a good chance of working and apply the methods that I teach you, then I think this is a really cool offer for you too. That website is affiliatelaunchnow.com. So those are 3 different websites that can help you make affiliate commissions for Black Friday. All right, so one last time, those 3 websites are dimesaleformula.com if you want to learn all the fundamentals of affiliate marketing and running an affiliate marketing business, or if you want to promote that product as an affiliate until Sunday, go to dimesaleformula.com. Website number 2, nomadbots.com. This is super simple. It's totally free. You just go get a copy of my spreadsheet and swap out all the affiliate links with your affiliate links and just give this thing away as any way that you can. Get people to go to your Google spreadsheet and buy those really cool softwares as an affiliate, and you'll make commissions. And website number 3, affiliatelaunchnow.com. This is a personal private coaching offer that I have 2 more spots for that you can jump on and join me if you want to get my help in getting your niche affiliate website set up and going in the right direction based on an offer that's worked well for me. And I'm going to show you the methods that I would use to promote this in step-by-step, granular detail, and personalized to exactly the way that you want to build the website. Check out the video I'm linking to at the end here to see more cool affiliate marketing methods.